Babeeni Company Limited was established in 2007 and has almost 16 years of experience in hand smoking and craft embroidery. Head office address number 66 Viet Thương Street, Long Biên District, Hanoi City, Vietnam. There are 79 staffs at the head office, including professional departments. Babeeni's clothing products are specific with decorative, hand-smoked, and hand-embroidered patterns and diverse in various types of children's clothing, such as girls' sets clothing, baby rompers, boys' clothing shirts, girls' swimwear as well. Clothing products are made of certified fabrics and materials that are safe for the skin, soft and breathable. Babeeni Factories has main factory in Dong Trung Can, Kim Yen, 2K District, Hai Duong Province, Vietnam, with area 43,543 meters squares. There are over 2,800 factory employees working hard at each stage of production. Our capacity is about 3 million pieces per year of all types of kids' clothing to export 42% to the United States of America. Making steady 30% rates to the European market and others such as Middle East and Asia. As a prestigious children's clothing brand and ODM wholesaler, Babeeni always wishes to devote all our best heart, passions, emotions, and professional skills to create valuable clothing products that are timeless companions with children during the first journey of the growing up to make the best clothing for children in the world, as well as to create employment to laborers and happiness to the valuable community in Vietnam.